We've gotten 4 new vessels for the Marine Division, and I think this is the first time we've ever done that, at least in anybody's memory. So we decided that we'd go off our new home and our partnership. We're christening the 4 boats. What we decided to do is we had a naming ceremony, and what 3 of the boats are actually named for previous staff of the Division of Marine Resources. Is a shellfish boat. Now this boat will be going out for shellfish sanitation. They do water quality sampling year-round. They're going to be out in this boat in February. If anybody wants to go for a ride, then they would be happy to take you along. And they water sample the entire marine district of Long Island to certify all the shellfish bed areas. We decided to name this vessel after Steve Hendrickson, who was a bureau chief at Shell Fisheries years ago. He started as an employee with DEC, working on the shellfish transplant program. And conducting population surveys for shell fisheries. He started in the 60s. He'd worked for the department for about 30 years. He was instrumental in facilitating the development of marine aquaculture regulations in New York. He organized the Symposium of Mariculture in New York State in 1977, which led to the way for the aquaculture to advance in marine waters. He worked on all aspects of marine management, was highly respected by commercial harvesters and stakeholders. He spearheaded the formation of the New York State Shellfish Advisory Committee in 1977. So anyway, we're naming this vessel after Phil Briggs. Phil Briggs was a biologist for many years. When I started with the department, Phil was sort of quite a legend at that point. Phil's career took him from the fisheries of New York to working in the crustaceans of New York, especially for American lobsters and then later on blue crabs. Phil was a member of the American Fisheries Society, and he was an active member of the New York chapter of the American Fisheries Society. He was a well-respected biologist at DEC, and he helped mentored many of the young biologists in his own unique way. So essentially, we let him organize what we call it the Marine Library. It's a conference room, but essentially it was organized completely by Phil, and the library itself is named after him.
RV Philip Briggs, long may she sail. Let's see.
Yeah.
Both the RV John C. Poole, long may she sail.
And why everybody should be in this picture is because this is a division boat. We essentially needed a boat that needed to go in the ocean, and we only had one left that was getting very, very old. So this boat, because of a lot of the new programs we have going on, we have a lot of the ocean programs and the Ocean Action Plan. It's more the division boat for all purposes. Well, since this was going to be an ocean boat, we would name it after something more appropriate for the Marine Division. So the RV Delphinus is actually the common dolphin. And since this will be an ocean boat and that species is indigenous, and it's easy to see a boat that'll see a lot of service on both the north, south shores, the east end, a lot of different things. And
I christen the RV Delphinus, long may she sail.